Okay, for 84, they want us to solve any methods. So for A, I have x plus 3. Oops, sorry, x minus 3. X minus 3, right? Minus 3 equals 5. So we break it into 2. I have x minus 3 equals 5. And x minus 3 equals negative 5, right? Because it could be plus or minus. So add 3 to both sides, right? Plus 3 plus 3. We get x equals 8. Add 3 to both sides, right? We have two equations to solve. X equals negative 2. And set notation negative 2, 8 for A, right? For B, let's do B here. We have 5 times the absolute value of x equals 35. We divide both sides by 5, right? We don't want to split it until the absolute value is all alone. So we have absolute value of x equals 7. So x equals 7. X equals negative 7. So I'll take the answers either way. You could write it in set notation, negative 7, comma 7. That's one way. Or if you wanted, you could write x equals plus or minus 7. That's fine too. Either way, it's fine. Okay, for C, let's make some space. So C, I have the absolute value of x plus 1 equals 2. So we split it into two equations. X plus 1 equals 2. X plus 1 equals negative 2. And subtract 1 from both sides. X equals 1. Subtract 1 from both sides. X equals negative 3. So again, in set notation, we would write our answer like that, negative 3, 1. And the last one, D, absolute value of x plus 3 equals negative 2. We just stop right here because, look, the absolute value of a number has to be positive, right? It's a distance, right? A distance can't be negative. So no matter what is inside the absolute value, it doesn't matter. You cannot get a negative number. So there's no solution to this, right? No matter what you put in there, you're never going to get a negative 2. So there's no solution for D.